Okay guys, here is a new guide on WhatsApp. So here you will learn how to turn on or allow picture-in-picture in WhatsApp. So if you're using WhatsApp or your Android phone and you want to turn on picture-in-picture so that you can easily watch videos by the side of the WhatsApp application while you do other activities on it, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn on or enable picture-in-picture on WhatsApp on your Android phone, there are two ways to go about it. The first approach is you can just do this from your phone app menu. Just locate the WhatsApp application logo, press and hold it. Once you press and hold the WhatsApp application logo, then go ahead and click on the information icon at the top right. Now, once you click on the information icon at the top right, you're going to go to the WhatsApp app info page. You see that? Then if you scroll down, then you're going to see picture in pictures. So click on that. Then if permission is disabled, you will not be able to create picture in picture in Windows on the WhatsApp application. So if you want to turn this on, just go ahead and turn this on. Then alternatively, if you want to turn on picture in picture on WhatsApp, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your phone. Once you open the settings app, scroll down and click on apps. Then once you selected apps, you want to select the WhatsApp application. So just scroll through where the WhatsApp application is. So click on it. Then scroll down, locate picture in picture, click on that. And then if this is disabled, go ahead and enable that. And once enabled, you are good to go. So this app is going to allow you to create a picture-in-picture window while the app is open or after you leave it. For example, to continue watching a video, this window is shown on top of other apps that you are using. So once you turn this on, you'll be able to watch WhatsApp video in picture-in-picture. So that is basically how to enable turn on picture-in-picture on WhatsApp. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.